to show you how to add a home screen widget with Virtual Keypad. The home screen widget allows you to quickly view the ARM status of one or more of your systems. Let's take a look at how to set one up. On the home screen of your phone, long press until you begin editing the home screen. In the top left corner, select the plus button and scroll down until you see Virtual Keypad. Then select Virtual Keypad. There are two different layouts you can use when enabling the home screen widget. Simply select the small home screen widget or the larger home screen widget. For now, I'll add the larger one. Then select Add Widget. As you can see, this ARM status widget has been immediately added to your home screen. You can also select which system you'd like to view on this widget. Simply tap the widget and then tap System. These are all the systems my Virtual Keypad has access to. I can select from any one of these systems. For now, I'll select Small Business, then tap outside of the editor. Once you're finished, select Done. Now you can quickly see the ARM status of the small business system right from the home screen of your iPhone. To quickly ARM your system, tap the widget. Now that I'm in Virtual Keypad, I can ARM this system all. Then close Virtual Keypad, and you'll see that the widget has changed to display the current ARM status. If you have more than one ARM status widget on your home screen, but want to take up less space, you can also stack these widgets and quickly flip between them. Let's take a look at how to do that. You can see here that I've got 3 different systems set up with a widget. All I have to do is click and drag the retail center on top of another widget. Then I'll do the same with the small business. Once I click Done, you can see that I can simply swipe between each of these systems to view their ARM status. This allows me to view the ARM status of all of my systems without taking up too much room on the home screen. To find out more about Virtual Keypad, visit dmp.com.